So this is the biggest shift our industry has ever faced. And we're not talking about the move from hand-drawn plans to CAD, or even the move from CAD to BIM. This shift is much bigger. We're moving from scattered, manual, fragmented ways of working to structured digital workflows that connect every part of a project and the business. It's not just design, it's not just construction, but how teams collaborate from the first briefing to the final handover and beyond.
Until now, project delivery has often depended on emails, disconnected systems, and a lot of manual chasing. Information lives in isolated places, and naming is inconsistent. Approvals happen informally or sometimes not at all. When it's time for handover, the story is always the same, scrambling to find the latest documents and guessing about who approved what.
And today's projects demand more. Teams are bigger, schedules are tighter, and clients are asking for traceability, not just PDFs. They want to see who approved this, what requirements were met, how was this reviewed and checked at all. They expect a clear, reliable record, not a patchwork of emails and file folders.
And when teams are falling short, it's rarely because the people don't care. It's about the processes, really, they're not strong enough to support them. And without the clear agreements, the structured workflows, and without connected systems, even the most experienced teams face duplicate effort, rework, and missed deadlines. It's the corny phrase, it's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. And it's with a centralized collaborative workflow that everyone can trust. That's what we need to get to.
But here's something we all be aware of. Just implementing BIM as a 3D tool set isn't enough. BIM is a part of digital transformation, but it's only one part. If you focus only on modeling or software adoption, you might end up with a 3D modeling team in your organization, while the rest of the business is still relying mostly file-based technology.
True digital transformation is bigger than this. It's about the entire organization aligning to structured, connected ways of working, like setting clear goals, using standard templates and agreements, tailoring them to fit the specific needs of the project, managing approvals digitally, tracking compliance automatically, or creating a seamless golden thread of information from design to handover and right through operations as well.
Yeah, exactly. It's about improving how teams communicate, how they make agreements, how decisions are recorded, and how project knowledge flows through all of the stages in a project. Digital transformation isn't just technology, it's people, process, and culture, and all of that moving in the same direction.
If you have been asking for better processes, better collaboration, and a smarter way of working, you are not asking for too much. You are looking ahead. The move from disconnected teams to seamless project collaboration, the move from clunky manual processes to smooth automated workflows, which you can track, and then the move from standalone BIM models to fully integrated digital management for the entire project lifecycle.
If you've ever asked yourself, why are we still managing this project like it's 1995? You are not alone. More people across the industry are realizing that disconnected tools and manual processes won't scale. And the ones who put structure in place are the ones who move their teams forward. The organizations that succeed are the ones that build connected, structured, people-focused workflows across projects, contracts, teams, and clients.
You are not just pointing out the problems, you are stepping up to lead the solution. And that's exactly what a digital troublemaker does. You see what's not working and you are ready to lead the shift.
Yep. And in the next part, we'll dive into a lot deeper why this change is so difficult for teams to make, why so many teams struggle with it actually sticking, but you're not alone and you're already further ahead than you think. And we'll be sharing all of the tools, even the digital transformation business case template, and we'll guide you through how to use it to kickstart meaningful change at your company. Let's continue.